Hey everyone, I'm Abby and this is Daniel, and we're back for our second edition of the TeamYouTube Monthly Roundup, our new series where we quickly share all of the top YouTube news from the past month.
So let's dive into April.
A huge congrats to BTS and BTS Army for breaking the YouTube record for the most viewed 24-hour debut in YouTube history with the music video Boy With Love. We got a lot of questions from BTS Army about view count here. It's totally normal for the public view count to freeze or adjust while our backend systems verify that the views coming in are real and accurate. Learn more about how this works in the Help Center article linked below. We've seen a number of tweets asking why you're receiving Content ID claims for a song when the exact audio recording of that song isn't in your video. Many of the claims that were brought to our attention are technically valid because of composition rights or publishing rights. These are the rights that protect work put into lyrics and melodies of songs by songwriters or composers. You should understand your rights and how to use the dispute process if you'd like to argue that your video is covered by exceptions such as fair use. However, please keep in mind when you even jokingly sing a line or two from a song, composition rights may protect the work, and if you include it in your video, you might get a Content ID claim. We've included this and other top FAQs in the help community linked below. We also get a lot of questions about timing expectations for YPP reviews. While the large majority of applications receive an update in less than 30 days, there are a few reasons you may still be waiting. The first reason might be that you don't have 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Public watch hours are the key here. Creator Studio displays the number of public and private watch hours, which we know might be confusing. If you've deleted a substantial number of videos or have a lot of watch time from private videos, you won't be reviewed at this time. Secondly, it's possible that multiple reviewers have disagreed on your channel's suitability for the YouTube Partner Program, and your channel requires additional reviews. In this case, we recommend that you re-review YPP policies and consider making changes to your content strategy to be more in line with them. We've heard a lot of confusion around the reused content guideline in YPP. It's important to note that this is not about copyright or permissions or fair use. So, what does it mean? Reused content means that you upload content from multiple sources, or you re-upload or repurpose someone else's existing content without transforming the original work by adding your own unique value. For example, a best of channel or compilation channel may no longer qualify for YPP if a creator is only aggregating and uploading the clips without adding any commentary. The spirit of this YPP policy is to make sure we're protecting and rewarding creators who work hard to produce their own original content. More info below.
On April 10th, YouTube TV added 8 of your top requested channels to our lineup. You've been telling us you wanted more channels like HGTV, Food Network, Discovery Channel, and now you have them. YouTube TV now includes over 70 networks. In order to continue bringing you the best service possible, we're updating our membership price to $49.99 if you're billed through Google, or $54.99 for members billed through Apple. Existing subscribers will see these changes reflected in their next billing cycle after May 13th. CobraKai Season 2 is available now with your YouTube Premium membership. April was a big month for YouTube Music. It's now available on Apple Carplay for iOS. You can now safely control the music from your YouTube Music subscription while driving. On top of that, YouTube Music now offers the free ad-supported experience on Google Home and other Google Assistant powered speakers in select countries. Just choose YouTube Music as your default music provider in the Home app. We also hosted a second Ask Us Anything in the YouTube Music community. Thousands of you participated, and we got over 80 feature requests that got our team really excited. The most upvoted comment was a request to bring YouTube Music to Google Maps. Spoiler alert, we're working on something like this for you. Lots of others asked about the future of Google Play Music in relation to YouTube Music, and if you use either product, I think you'll find reading the discussion in our help community very useful. If you're using YouTube on your computer, we're now experimenting with a new mini version of the navigation guide that will now resize with you as you resize your browser window. Not everyone will see it yet, but stay tuned. If you're interested in getting even more updates every month, specifically for youtube.com on your computer, we post release notes of product improvements and bug fixes in our help community. For the first time ever, YouTube kept the cameras rolling with a live stream of both Coachella weekends. Weekend 1 was the most viewed Coachella live stream ever. Relive your favorite performances from both weekends on the Coachella channel linked below.
Thanks again for joining us for the second TeamYouTube Monthly Roundup.
And remember to check out the description below for more information on any of the topics that we discussed today.
We really loved reading your questions and suggestions last month, so please send your thoughts our way in the comments.
See you again next month. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe.